Hey traders, let's talk about Polkadot. Over the last 7 days, it's dropped about 12%, now sitting around $1.16. On top of that, trading volume in the past 24 hours is also down, which means fewer buyers stepping in right now. So what's next? This could be a pullback where the market cools off before the next move, or it could be a bull trap where prices fake a recovery before dropping further. For a real bullish momentum, we'd want to see volume pick back up and strong support holding steady. Until then, stay cautious, watch the charts, and don't rush in. Smart moves win the game, not fast ones. Also, quick update, we've just released our latest Polkadot price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Polkadot. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.